Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, we will talk about growing one of the most beautiful and my favorite flowers, Cosmos. Cosmos is definitely one of the best flowers you can grow in your garden. I love growing these plants. They look amazing in the garden. I will discuss all about it from growing to collecting seeds. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Cosmos are annuals or seasonal flowers that we grow in our winter-spring season. You can see they bloom so much. They have such beautiful bright daisy-like flowers and they look so good when they move with the wind. They really make your garden look extra happy. The best thing is that the plant is really easy to grow. They will flower a lot with very little maintenance. They can get more than 6 feet tall if you plant them in the ground. You can also grow them in containers very easily. The flowers mainly come in shades of pink and white. You will also find a variety with yellow and orange flowers. These also look very pretty and they are great for attracting bees and butterflies in the garden. One of the best things this plant attracts is parrots. The parrots love eating the seeds of the plant. It is really fun to see these birds come in your garden and have a feast. Cosmos are sun-loving plants. They will not flower well if they don't get lots of sunlight. So give them minimum 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight if you want to have lots of flowers. You can give them afternoon shade when the weather gets too hot, but they will not grow well in shady area. So grow them in full sun. You can see my plants got so tall even in containers. I have a small rooftop garden, so I usually plant multiple plants in one large pot. They're extremely easy to grow from seeds. You can also buy small saplings from the nursery and grow them. If you don't have lots of space, you can grow them like me. You can plant 4 to 5 plants in a 12-inch pot, or you can grow one plant in a 6 or 8-inch container. Make sure your container has good drainage holes. When the plants are around 6-inch tall, you can pinch them to make them bushy. Cosmos plants like well-draining soil. They can also grow in poor soil, but for best results, grow them in a good quality potting mix. You can prepare the potting mix with well-draining garden soil. Add around 30 to 40% good quality compost. You can also mix some coco peat to retain moisture. Mix 2 tablespoons of bone meal and neem cake powder, and that will be all. During growth, add mustard cake liquid fertilizer every week. And after 30 days, add some compost and bone meal on top of the soil so they keep getting all the nutrients. Cosmos plants are not heavy feeders, so don't feed them too much. You will get better results with minimum care. Water your plants well and thoroughly. Keep the soil moist and water only when the soil feels dry. Make sure to water them well during the hot weathers to keep the flowers fresh. If you want to get lots of flowers from your plant for a long time, you have to prune them regularly. Cut all the dry flowers as soon as they fade. Cut off the excess flower stem. This will help the plant produce more flowers and the plant will live longer. You can keep some of the dry flowers on the plant, so when they become seed, you can collect them and grow them next year. They are very easy to grow from seeds. Pest can be a problem in this plant sometime. Mealybug, aphids and spider mites are very common in these plants. So spray organic pesticides like neem oil weekly to keep them away. This is all you need to do to grow them. They're one of the easiest plants to have in your garden. So grow them and enjoy. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time. Bye.